An easy way to spice up a plain rice dish. Infuse it in some delicious sweet pumpkin. So here I'm actually using butternut squash. This is a substitute and a really good one if you can't find any pumpkin, but usually you want to use the pumpkin which has the dark green skin. So I'm just going to chop up about half of this butternut squash into small cubes. So now to start to cook everything, I've got about a tablespoon of oil in a pot, and I'm going to start by cooking my pumpkin, which in this case is actually butternut squash. I season it with a bit of salt, pepper and all-purpose. I mix this all together and I allow the pumpkin to start to soften. I then add some coconut milk. I also toss in some spring onions and some fresh thyme, and I let this all bubble away. Once the pumpkin is nice and soft, you want to start to mash it down. You can use a masher like I'm using here. You can also use a fork. So I actually used a combination of both to get my pumpkin mashed down. Now I'm adding in some washed rice, tossing a Scotch bonnet on top and adding some salt or all-purpose to taste. To get the rice nicely cooked, I also add in some boiled water. You want to add water until the rice is about half an inch covered, and once you see the water starting to reduce, you want to turn down the temperature and allow the rice to steam. If it needs a bit more water to help with the process, just add it in bits. It's better to add too little than to add too much and to get mushy rice. Garnish it with spring onion and enjoy this delicious recipe. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.